I have just 30 minutes to paint this gate, and I must not miss any spot. No second chance, no touching after time ends, and every corner must be covered. Let's start. Time is running. With this pattern I'm using, I'm sure I will finish it before the 30 minutes, and I'm very sure I will not miss any spots. So I should just paint all the body filler first. Time is running out. I have to move very fast. I have to paint the under very well, because this particular place, you may miss some places there. Just have to do it carefully, because there's no second chance. Oh my god, oh my god.
15 minutes left.
Time is running out. Amazing weather. Are you sure you can do this? Amazing weather. I can do it. I'm very sure. Ten minutes left. I should have rushed this place, but I still need to chill because this place is very hard. This under, if care is not taken, you will miss it. And I remember there's no going back on this challenge. 5 minutes left. Thank God, I'm almost done. I should just bend this top to finish. So I finished the challenge before 30 minutes. Now let's check it, maybe there's error or not. So let's check it out. I think this place is perfect. Wow, there's a mistake here. Oh, I didn't touch the flag. Oh my god, I don't know I can ever miss this challenge. Oh my god. Say the second place. We're still checking it. Wow, there's another mistake over there. Oh my god. Yeah, another one is here. Wow. So I missed 5 places on the gate, which means I lost the challenge.
Thank you all for watching. Please share, like, and drop your thought in the comment section. One Love Heavy Blackheart Hash.